Okay, so this is Paco. Come here, buddy. I just pulled him from the shelter, and I'm harboring a fugitive at my office before I hit the road. This little guy is approximately a year old. We don't know exactly how old he is because he was found in the night depository box at the Fort Wayne Animal Care and Control. He is a seal point, approximately 6 pounds, and he's checking out stuff in my office, getting himself wrapped in my computer cord. Isn't that right, buddy? But he's a sweetheart. He's obviously been well socialized because you can see headbutts, he's purring, making biscuits. Not an extremely vocal boy, but I tell you what, he was a little talky when he was in the carrier in the car. So this guy is Paco, and he will make an awesome home. He's going to go to his foster here in just a couple of hours, and she can give you more information about how he does with her cat and personality, but seems to be an extremely healthy boy, just recently neutered, and will be ready to go home in just a couple weeks. So click on this boy before he goes, because I don't think he's going to last long. Isn't that right, Paco? Say hi, everybody. Yeah.